Exercise 9. It's a system of equations. A squared minus b squared equals 63. A plus b equals 9. And given that a squared minus b squared is the difference of squares, what is the value of a minus b? First of all, since I'm looking at a system of equations, I want you to remember that the easiest, the safest way for you to solve any type of a system is through Desmos. So let's do that through Desmos at first. X squared, remember that Desmos only accepts x and y as its variables. X squared minus y squared is 63. And at the same time, x plus y is 9. Solution to a system of equations is the common point of intersection, which in this case is 8.1. So x is 8, y is 1, which means that what is the value of a minus b? In my case would have been a is 8 and b is 1. So a minus b would have been 8 minus 1, which is 7. So through Desmos, once again, I would have put the two equations, and then since it's a system, I would find the common point of intersection, and through its coordinates, which are in this case a and b, I would lead myself to the answer. Now, let's see how we can use the difference of squares, which is suggested by the exercise. We know that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. But we were given that a squared minus b squared is equal to 63. Not just that, we were also given that a plus b is equal to 9. And we need to find the value of a minus b. No one ever said, let's find the values of a and b. We were simply asked to find the difference of a minus b. Before, by doing Desmos, I did it in the traditional way. I calculated a, I calculated b, and then through these values, the a minus b. But now, with the shortcut, like in previous exercise, we can jump directly to the value of a minus b without the need of calculating separately the values of a and b. So 63 is 9 times something, and obviously that something should be 7. So directly a minus b would have been 7, which means that the right answer for this question would be A.